Hello, ma'am. My name is Pranjal Sinha. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. From here, I'll introduce myself, ma'am. I'm born and brought up from Chhattisgarh, Ambikapur. I did my schooling from Rajkumar College, Raipur. After that, I moved to Pune for my graduation in BCom, and my specialization is in banking. In BCom is banking and finance. After that, I've chosen a field, a very excited field, and that is mass communication and journalism. And I completed my master in mass communication and journalism from Jaglan Lake City University. Then I got placed in Formula One Business Consulting. Formula One Business Consulting is basically an company who is working for Amazon third-party seller. So what we are doing is uh, we are dealing with the clients, management, account handling, and the PR activities for the company, and also the advertisement part. So my work is to handle the advertisement part, PR activity for the company, PR activity for the clients. Over there, I have learned how to handle the client basically. So I'm also working for the client management part as well. Then I got opportunity to join one of the biggest startup, and that is GM Global Products and Sales Private Limited in Bangalore. What they are doing is they are also preparing an e-commerce platform for the local retailers. We are basically giving empowerment to the local sellers who is dealing for the local market. Over there, my part is to handle the client management. My part is to handle the PR activity for the companies and PR activities for the client as well. And I'm also working for the social media advertisement for the clients. Then, due to some families issues, I need to come back to Chhattisgarh, and I joined Vacation Station. So, Vacation Station is basically a holiday company who's dealing with the Mahindra Club Mahindra Holidays package. And here also, I'm working as a business development manager over there, and handling the 10 people teams here, and also working for the advertisement part for the company. Then I got opportunity to join in an educational platform, and that is Pariksha. So Pariksha is basically working for the student who is giving online, who is preparing for the online government examination, and we are helping them as an online support, because we have some good clients in Chhattisgarh also who is dealing. Who is giving lectures, who is giving to the educations to the all government examination preparation. So we are preparing for the test papers. We are doing video classes to the students online with our application. That's all about my introduction, ma'am. Now I'm coming for my USP. So my USP is I'm very much tranquility. So tranquility is basically because I think anything is can be achieved if our mind are shorted and very calm. Now I'm coming for the my uh, expertise. So that is I'm very much good in teaching to the student, because right now also I'm working for a institution, that is Kalinga University, as a guest faculty for the journalism students and giving lectures to the student. So my expertise in teaching is very good enough, and even I am a good listener. I am a good team leader, and I have a good quality of leadership. That's all about my introduction, my USP, and my expertise, ma'am. Hope this video you liked it, and in future, I can hope for the better response from your end as well. And I love to join your institution. It's a very big institutions in the market right now. Thank you, ma'am.